What's up? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, y'all? Domino 7 here, okay? If y'all can hear me, okay? All right. Domino 7 here. All right. Yeah, this is a video, Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube, you know. So this is a video saying get well Krayzie Bone, okay? All right, so all I'm gonna say, get well, Krayzie Bone. We still praying for you, okay? All right, yep. So, like I said, I'm a fan of Bone Thugs and Harmony since 1994, okay? Ever since I heard Thuggish Ruggish Bone, enjoy that song, you know. I first heard it in November 1994, okay? Yep. Or was it October 94 when I first heard it, you know? Before we moved out of the St. Bernard project, you know? Okay? Yep. So, like I said, y'all, I enjoy Bone Thugs, you know? My favorite rap group of all time still, you know? Till this day. Everybody is a fan of Bone, okay? So, you know what, y'all? I wish I had a get well card for Krayzie Bone, you know? I sure would love to get him a get well card, okay? Yes, I will. Yes, I will try, okay? But I don't know how he gonna get it, though. I don't know how he gonna get it, you know? But I sure wish I could get him a get well card, honestly, okay? That's what I want to do. I want to give Krayzie Bone a get well card, okay? Yep. And I'm pretty sure all his fans thinking the same thing, other fans, you know, besides me. Okay? Yeah, so like I said, I would love for him to get well, you know. So we all praying for him here in New Orleans as well, you know. And you know, I haven't spoken to Curstin Kay in a long time, you know. I haven't spoken to her in a while, you know. I wish I had that battery for that smoke detector shoot. But anyways, I was saying, I sure wish I'd be speaking to Curstin Kay. I know she probably been busy with her music or something like that, you know. But I sure would love for her to make a song for Krayzie Bone and stuff like that. Get well Krayzie Bone, you know. Okay, so like I said, Curstin is a wonderful singer, you know. Yep, because I've been supporting Curstin ever since I found out she could sing, you know, making music videos and stuff like that. So, you know, me and Curstin started on YouTube at the same time. She created her YouTube channel in 2010. I created my YouTube channel in 2010, you know. But I was me and Curstin didn't know each other then, you know. So like I said, y'all, I mean, I'm gonna continue on praying for Krayzie Bone, you know. Okay, yeah, we all are here, you know, especially my good friend next door. Okay, so she enjoyed Bone Thugs and Harmony too, you know. Yep. So all I'm saying is get well, Krayzie Bone. Okay. So Curstin Kay, not a you. Okay. I mean, I'm thinking about her career as well, you know. I sure wish I could work with her, you know, on my show, interview her and stuff like that, you know. Okay, because at first she was supposed to be my co-executive producer on my show, you know, co-executive producer. I had Hugh and Pete and Danky, you know, well in the beginning, I had my ex-girlfriend Tanya as my co-executive producer, you know, but I kind of fired her because we haven't talked in a while, you know. Okay, but I'll probably hire her back if I ever talk to her again. So I remember I asked Curstin, would she like to be a co-executive producer on my show? She said yes. I never forgotten about that, you know. I never forgotten about that. Okay. Okay. So like I said, y'all, Curstin Kay is a wonderful singer and stuff like that. She appeared on my show twice. twice. You hear me? So she'll probably appear on my show again unexpectedly, because when I went to the French Quarter Fest, that was very unexpected for me to see Curstin. Okay, with her and her boyfriend TJ Nathan. I don't think her and TJ Nathan is together no more that I know of. I don't know. Okay. Well, I haven't been seeing her, so I can't say. I don't know if they're still together. I don't think they're still together, as far as I know. Okay. Oh well, life goes on. Okay. Well, all right. So now back to Krayzie Bone. Okay. I enjoy his songs. Thug Mentality, Paper, and him featuring with Ice Cube Until We Rich. Yeah, I enjoyed that song. I also like the song with Chameleonaire, Gotta Catch Me Riding Dirty. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. Uh-huh. I sure would love for them to make a song with Spice One, but they hung out at a radio station. Bone Thugs and Krayzie Bone and Spice One had spoke with each other. Yeah, they cool. Bone Thugs and Spice One is cool. I sure wish they would make a song together, but anyway, Spice One made a song with Lazy Bone and made a song with Flesh and Bone. Okay, and both of them songs sound awesome. That's good enough. But I sure wish Spice wanted to make a song with Bone. I wish. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So anyway, as I was saying, we are staying prayed up for Krayzie Bone. Okay. So it would be a blessing. So all I can say, God is good all the time. Okay. Yep. God is good all the time. Okay. Yeah. Cause I want to start from scratch. Okay. I mean, every day, every month, I've always expect Bone to come out with a new video, a new song, and stuff like that, Mm-hmm. So I've always believed in Bone, I've always believed in Bone Thugs and Harmony, What I mean by believing them, I knew they was gonna continue on doing their thing, So when the Cash Money Millionaires came out, Juvenile, BG, the Big Timers, Lil Wayne, and all them, when they came out though, I was into their songs too. And then when Bone Thugs and Harmony came back, it was time to party. You hear me? Mm-hmm. Yep. No Limit in the house, Cash Money in the house. Mm-hmm. Yep. So like I said, it's like Cash Money welcome back Bone Thugs and Harmony. Yeah. Britney Spears welcome back Bone Thugs and Harmony. The Backstreet Boys in sync. Like I said, anybody else that was doing music around that time in 2000 when Bone came back, yeah, they welcome back Bone Thugs and Harmony to the box. So I wanted to tape the box talk they had, the last one they had, in 2000, but I ain't had no VCR to go to, Mm-hmm. So somebody else taped it. My friend Randy, Randy TV, Randy Smith, aka Randy TV. He taped a box talk with Bone Thugs and Harmony. I like box talk, honestly. Yep. I like box talk, honestly. Okay. So box talk from the Box Music Network a long time ago. So I must say, y'all, Bone Thugs, I've always had confidence in them. I've always expect them to come out with something new. I have my fingers crossed and everything, prayers in the air, that they'll come out with something, and they came out with something. Tupac came out with something. Bone came out with something. So every time Tupac would come out with something, Bone come out with something, Then after that, I ain't know Tupac made a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony. Or should I say, Bone Thugs and Harmony made a song with Tupac. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Awesome too, y'all. Yeah. Made a song with the notorious B.I.G. aka Biggie Smalls. Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm smiling because I really enjoying this conversation, you know. hmm But like I said, I still say get well, Krayzie Bone. You know, still in our prayers. You know. Yep. Still in our prayers. We're gonna continue on lifting them up in prayer. You know. A nice legend. You know. Yep. And you know, it would be great if Curstin Kay make a song with Bone. You know, because I really enjoy Bone Thugs Army, and I enjoy Curstin Kay. You know. All right, so I hope y'all can find a YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure y'all check out. You know. All right, so that's all I gotta say. Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. All right, and one more thing I want to say: Krayzie Bone, get well. All right, bye bye.